A short shot by Pacquiao with his left. Excellent shot to the body. And that showed Hickman. And that was the second round. That was another right hand to the body ni Manny Pacquiao.
Down. Patay na rin haton. Down na kamay. Knockdown.
Alam mo,